You must have clicked on this video because you may be struggling with solving linear equations. You might find it extremely difficult to solve questions and problems under this topic. But what if I tell you that there is a secret hack for this? Hack? Maybe that's what you'll be thinking. But in this video, and at the end of it, we will learn how to solve different problems and questions under linear equations. But first, why is having an understanding of this topic important? This is because this math concept is applicable in various fields such as algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, and many others. They also help develop your problem-solving skills and act as a stepping stone to understanding more complex math problems. So, let us take a few examples on this topic. Question is, solve for x. Theory, open bracket, x plus 4 close bracket is equal to 2x plus 15. So what are the steps you need to take when solving linear equation? Well, step 1 is to isolate the variable. Variables, you can call them letters. They are usually attached to values. Now we need to isolate the variable. But before we can do that, we need to open up these brackets. So that will be 3 close bracket x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 15. This 3 will multiply this x, and then this 3 multiply 4. So in this way, we are going to open up the brackets. The 3 multiplied by x will be 3x plus 3 multiplied by 4, which will give you 12, is equal to 2x plus 15. Now, what do we need to do? We are going to separate the unlike terms and collect the like terms, which means the terms that are similar to each other, or the values that are similar to each other, you are going to put them on one side, and the other ones that are similar to each other will be on the other side. The 3x and 2x are similar to each other, so they are going to be in this side, while 15 and 12 are going to be the other side, which means that this 2x will go here to meet this 3x here, and this 12 will go and meet 15 all over here. That will be 3x. There is an invisible plus here, and when it crosses the equality sign, it will turn to a subtraction sign. That will be 3x minus 2x is equal to 15. Just like you said, the addition sign, once it crosses the equality sign, it will turn to subtraction. So that will be 15 minus 12. So 3x minus 2x will give us x. It is not referred to as 1x, or rather just x, which is equal to 15 minus 12 is 3. So the equation is already solved here. X, the variable x, is equal to 3. And if you want to check if what you did is correct, you just need to substitute x in the question for 3. That means wherever you see x in a question, you replace it with 3. And if you solve, what you have on one side and what you have on the other side must be equal to each other. And if it's so, you are correct. Now let's move on to question 2. Question 2 says, the question 2 reads, find the value of y. 7y minus open bracket 2y plus 3 close bracket is equal to 17. So just as we did in the last question, we need to isolate the variable. But before we do that, as we have said, we need to open up the brackets, and we can do this using the subtraction sign. You might ask, why do you use the subtraction sign? This is because whatever is in front of a bracket is what you are going to use to multiply the contents of the brackets. Let's assume that 7y was before the bracket. That is that 7y that we'll use to multiply what is here. But because it's minus that is closer to the bracket, that is what we are going to use to multiply what is in the bracket. So that will be 7y minus times plus, the invisible plus here. Minus times plus is minus. I'll put down the 2y. Minus times plus again. Minus times plus will give us minus. Minus, then we'll bring down the 3, which is equal to 17. Next, we are going to separate the unlike terms and collect the like terms, which means that this 7y and this 2y be on this side, that is the left side, while the 3 and the 17 will be on the right side. The 7y and the 2y are already here, so we just need to carry this one here. That will be 7y minus 2y is equal to 17 plus 3. Note, it's turned to plus because the subtraction sign passed through the equality sign and became plus. 7y minus 2y, that is 5y, which is equal to 17 plus 3, that was 20. Now we need to divide both sides of the expression by the coefficient of y. What is a coefficient? A coefficient is any value which is attached to a variable that is a letter, and this in this case which is attached to y. So the number that is attached to y is 5. So when you say using the coefficient of 5y of y, it is 5. So now we divide both sides by coefficients of y, which is equal to 5. That will be 5y divided by 5 is equal to 20 divided by 5. This 5 cancel this 5 because they are the same number. Why this 5 into 20 will give us 4. So y is equal to 4. So this is the answer to our question. The value of y is 4. So now let me give you something that you will solve for me as your exercise, and you will leave your answer in the comments. You will solve 3x plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 15. This is going to be your question, and you will leave your answer in the comment section. Leave your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out my video on a topic similar to this one. That topic is simultaneous linear equations. Also tell me in the comments how I can improve my videos. Goodbye and thanks.